Field right there.
It's a good distance, but it's way over there.
That was a little too far out, Kelly.
I'm trying.
Stay right here. Look. There's the white ball. Get real close to it. Get close to it. The white ball.
Here, wait. Throw one more time. You start.
There you go.
I know you can, but you can't do one more time. Watch it. Throw that white ball, babe.
What y'all gonna do when y'all go home?
How you want to try it out?
Throw that one back. You got.
I'm thinking about eating after.
Beck, look at me. Get my foot. Get my foot.
He goes with Barbara now.
Bro, Beck.
Okay, go. Don't box too much. Go get it.
Yeah.
Way to go.
Disney can't do it.
Where's it at?
Yeah, it's right across from Harness.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I've seen that.
Yeah, it's a nice little place.
Oh, yeah.
Just costs $85 a month.
Do what?
It's $85 a month.
That ain't too bad. You been paying it a month? Have you?
Let me do the back of
He
it.
kind of cut it down for me since I was having a little trouble paying it.
Oh, it did that?
So I got
How much they cut it down for?
$50.
$50? That ain't too bad.
No, that's not bad.
Joey, leave him
My
alone.
hair, I got my hair cut.
Now you got it wet. Not Joey. God, me.
Are y'all dating?
No, why?
Well, you look like you're dating him.
I know.
That's what he looked. Oh,
That's
yeah.
Karen's job. That's Karen's job.
You're
On
flirting with him.
weekends- But on weekends, I be around him now.
You're flirting with him.
Yeah.
Wait until, you know what I told her? I was waiting until Karen would get back. She said, don't say that.
I said, don't say that.
And then she changed her mind. No, she said, oh, I'll be nice to her. I'll be nice to her.
With him around, I have to.
Because if you don't be nice to her, then,
You might say, nope, we're not married anymore.
nope. Why you get radio? I listen to them.
Jello is the name of it. Nope. Joey, stop.
Is that closet or something?
Stop it, Joey. You break this, you're going $1,000. Stop it.
Hush.
Tell him.
This is important. This is important. Joy, you know you throw long and you throw hard. If it's your time to throw this, throw it way down there. You that throws easy, just throw it short. Come here.
Listen to him.
Y'all line up. And I'm going to throw this back to you. I want everybody to line up right here. And I want everybody to throw this. I'm going to throw it back.
Okay.
Y'all line up and learn to throw the...
Behind me. Behind me. And in a one line. Only one line. Yeah, Joey. Get.
Cameraman, got to get in the back. I have the same shirt at home. Meh.
Go ahead.
At your place?
Yep. That's too hard.
Too hard.
Them balls that ain't.
You put me in the back, Joey.
I'm just getting shots right here.
You seen John? Did you tell him how? Okay.
trying to get him to get out.
I know it.
I tried. Keep on. Do
Gussie.
turkey butt.
You Gussie.
Turkey butt.
What are you saying? Why?
Over here.
I know Gussie.
Hey, fine turkey. Get over here.
Gussie. What, Gussie?
Get over here.
Gussie?
Bye, buddy.
Gussie?
That's one reason I put my foot out, because I knew you were going to roll it in. Good job.
Here's for this bag bodyguard ever.
I thought pass that broomstick.
You ready to call me back later? Oh. Hmm?
Hi.
You always say that 5 times. Mr. Tail. What's going on now? Oh, God. Oh, from where?
This is Larry right here.
Joey, stop.
We got another one.
You tell him his killed phone.
What are you doing right here?
And
That's his brother. Leave him alone.
we got another one right here, Joe.
Again?
Hurricane?
Yep.
He likes those.
That one must be. I heard of one that's.
One is
One gonna blow y'all away. What's gonna do?
No, I think
Larry,
so.
Yeah, I think
Stop
so.
it, Joey.
That's the Larry right there.
That's Larry.
Yep.
Larry!
Is
Stop.
that on?
Larry!
Yes.
Any of y'all watch the Impractical Jokers?
Yes. I used. Yeah. I was. My nephew and them. They
What's
recorded
that
it.
mean?
Larry!
Wait.
Oh,
That's what that reminded me
Huh?
of, that Impractical Jokers.
Joey?
Always talk
Did you
about.
forget my name that fast? It's all good.
I feel like all church looks like cat camera.
That's a GoPro camera.
Camera.
It's a GoPro Hero camera.
Oh.
It's actually recording right now. That's my other one over there is too.
What do you really do? Like all church was like do like camera, like good.
Huh?
Like all church like camera.
You didn't leave my mom back. You know about you father.
So that up, pass the broomstick, all right?
I knew I left that in the car. I forgot all about the darn thing.
Hard. You're going to find a gift for you. He's cute.
It's 86 years old.
Get the ball closest to it as possible.
That's what they call it.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Wow.
Good one, Timmy.
No, you gonna try it again?
He always does. You are one of kind.
That's a heel right there, too.
Finally, my other sister got here.
Stop.
Miranda got here.
Yeah, there's like a heel right there also, making it curve.
Got this sister.
Yeah.
You're too far, Joey.
And what he does right there.
You need to kick his tail, by the way, Alfred.
You're big and strong.
Not so much.
But look here. You say it keeps running downhill?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because there's a heel right there. It was curving.
Well, come here. I'm going to get right here. I'm going to throw easy right to that broomstick and it's going to curve.
It'll spot the curve to it.
Yeah, curve to it. Now what? No, wait. Let me throw. Now you're throwing way back here. Throwing easy, just come back just a little bit. I'll hit the broomstick. But it
Went over.
curved in there. Don't throw. I don't want your ball to be passed. I want you to throw If you just stop at the broomstick, I want you to throw easy. Throw easy one time.
Just like that. I hit it.
Just like that.
I hit it.
But you've been throwing way down yonder.
Yeah, look, that hill was throwing me off right there.
You're throwing too hard.
Yeah.
When it's up, throw.
I was noticing I was throwing too hard with that too. It's been a while since we did this, you know, because of the virus mess,
That's
you
why I
know.
got you out here.
Yep.
Hey, let's all get in the shade, sit down and shut up.
All right, Alfred. All right, Alfred. Don't hit us with a ball.
Hit the ball.
Hey, sit down.